How to send HD photos on email. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to send any photos without losing its quality, then here's how you can send the high quality photos on email. Super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to send HD photos, simply go and open up the email app from your phone, and from the list, go and select the person who you want to send the picture. I'm gonna go and select this person, and now to send photos, you just need to go and tap on this photos option beside the message. You just need to go and tap on photos. Now select those photos that you want to send, and once it gets selected, at the bottom you'll get to see the HD option. You just go ahead and select that. Now you can individually select the quality. You can select HD and original file. So original file is the highest quality, so you can select that, and even you can select HD as well. And once you do that, go and tap on send, and those picture will be sent with that specific quality. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.